So now I can start creating those element templates. To create one, I'm going to right-click one of the folders and say Create New Template, give it a name. Then I'll select the level. If you do type in the first letter of the level, then it will take you to that area in the list. So this is going to be for P-drain pipe. And for the pipe center, I actually don't want to use bi-level symbology. I'm going to use the color 255, so the center line of the pipe is still going to be in the drawing, but I just won't be able to see it and it's not going to print. All right, you're going to want to copy these when you can, just to make this a faster process. So this is going to be for my pipe outside. And this one will use bi-level symbology. And I'll copy this one more time for the inside. And this one is going to have slightly different symbology. So element templates are a nice way to have different symbologies without having to create additional levels. Right. Another shortcut here is I'm going to be doing something very similar with culverts, so I might opt to copy these out and then paste them into my culverts folder. And with these all selected, I can make changes in bulk. So I could change the level for all of these to P-drain culvert, and then I would want to go in and rename all these to culvert. All right, I'll do an example of one of the 3D element templates. So I'll create a new one. This is going to be for pipe concrete. I'll go ahead and choose the level. And then to add a material, I'm going to right click over here in the gray area, select material. And then under material, I'll choose my palette, which is going to be civil, and then go down and choose concrete. Now I might copy that and paste it to create one for plastic. And I would just change out the material to plastic. And then do the same thing for my steel. Right, so I'm just going to keep using this list to build out all of my plan element templates, storing them all into the corresponding folders. And then I'll do the same thing for profile and 3D and end up with a full list, something like this. I'm going to repeat the same process inside of the utilities DGN-lib. To do the utilities, really following the same process. First, I'll build out the folder structure. So I started the drainage off with stormwater. I'm going to be consistent and start these all off with their different types. So it's going to be communications, electrical, gas, and water. Then I'll have a conduits folder, and then beyond that will be my plan, profile, and 3D. So once the folder structure is created, then I'm going to refer back to the spreadsheet to identify which element templates should be created for plan, for profile, and then also for 3D. And then following the same process that I showed with drainage, you're going to create all of those element templates inside of these different folders.